All right, guys, so good morning. Captain Paul here. Day 4, we're out here in the mooring field. The dolphins are over here playing. We're going to head back to Jacksonville. Look at that beautiful morning over St. Augustine. Get the dinghy up. That dinghy's awesome. Super cool mooring. Anybody gets a chance over here, it's really, really cool mooring field. There's the dolphin. You see him? Right there. So this is the 1999 44-foot DeFever that I've been on the last 4 days, and we're just doing strictly yacht training on this one. We ran 4 days, about 200 and some miles, and today we're going to head back to Jacksonville in it. Just wanted to give you guys a look at it out here on the ball. This is a beautiful boat. I know I say that a lot, but we're gonna put the dinghy away today. You gonna pull it? Are you pulling that plug, Todd?
Yeah. That's what I'm trying. Okay.
You two can handle this, no problem at all. You know what I'm saying? So, and that dinghy popped right up there, and it was easy to get on there. It's just a little bit right there at the end. You just got to pull all the way up. We've been fighting winds every day. Today's the first day we get up and there's no wind. It's gorgeous out here. They look like it.
Very close.
You can thank them. Just say thank you, guys.
Thanks, guys.
So I told Todd to go down and mark his chart because this little anchorage right here, absolutely gorgeous, right off the ICW here, marker 26, 27, and just really pretty nice deep water there. Looks very, very calm. So he wants to go a little 50-mile run out of Jackson down the ICW. It's a good place to go drop his anchor for the night. Jesus. What an asshole. See how the stabilizers kept us from left and right?
Yeah.
And but we bounced forward and backwards? But that guy was, there's no call for that. That's ridiculous. It's a jet drive too, by the way. Yeah, that's your sister ship right there.
Yeah.
So like I said, even like how far are we from Jacksonville? Right, 43 miles. So this is not a bad run right here. Just pull up the dock there, eat dinner, the next day.
Yeah.
Where's their marine fuel? I don't see. Oh, right there. Yeah, right there. You pull up to that dock.
I guess the truck.
Yeah, the truck has the fuel in it. You pull up to that dock right there.
Little ice cream bar.
Someone getting a new dock, huh, boss?
Yes, they are.
Just some wicked current coming through this one.
Yes, it is.
Now you're past it. I've been through that when it was just rapids in there. Look at that current, man. Whew.
Roger, Captain. You're all good. I know. You have a blessed day.
A lot of current coming through that little channel right there. Nice being down here. The air conditioner's on. We left the generator on from the morning, so it's just really, really nice in here. Todd's upstairs driving. I'm just sitting down here eating my lunch. Look at that freaking current. That is just ripping. How fast are we going right now? Let's get out of this shit. That was some crazy ass current.
Oh, shit.
Careful when you're running that. Look at that. Even right there is. You have to stay on that pink line. Once you get past that opening, right? See, that's an opening where the ocean's going the other way.
Mm-hmm.
And so you got a lot of stuff going on right here. I think you'll find though, you can kind of cut to the left there and stay away from that security boat. Oops, sorry. I'm wondering if that ship was moving, but that's a private yacht right there. It's freaking massive. Woo. Man, that's...
It doesn't have a name on the side.
It does, but I can't see
You
it.
see it?
That was crazy. A lot of current going through there, baby.
John, can we talk to that stairway? Yeah. Alright, thanks. Why do you want to go up here and sit on the bridge?
Pretty big push right there. Not like the Mississippi though. Coming up to the Jacksonville, this is their big port of entry. They look yellow, but they're it's the water. There's the Jacksonville Jaguar Stadium right there. Ooh, something's up on the board I can see. Let's have an event going on in there. See the LEDs? That's not a railroad. That is a traffic bridge.
It's moving, but
It's coming down.
yep.
We did. Oh, it's for the sailboat.
Sailboat.
Yeah, it wasn't for us. We just happen to benefit from it. This is the railroad bridge. Still looks tight, but it doesn't feel as tight this time. All right, we are. Huckins. Okay, that's this marina. Okay,
Yes, and they own it.
both marinas.
That's what
Lamb's
I-
Yacht Center owns both of these.
That's what I've been told.
Facilities.
Yes.
Nice. All right, YouTube, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I've had a great time with Todd and Pam on this 44-foot DeFever. They had to leave abruptly for a family emergency, but we'll get back to some training. And we're going to get the thrusters not working on the boat, so we're going to get that thruster fixed, and we'll get back out here to do some more training with Todd and Pam. But they both did a great job. Anyway, thank you guys. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Thank you.